Internal audit isn't about checking boxes, it's about focusing on the risks that matter most. That's where risk-based planning comes in. Today, we'll cover the essentials: what it is, why it matters, and how to build a risk-based audit plan that delivers real value. What is risk-based planning? Risk-based planning is the process of aligning your audit plan with the organization's most significant risks. Instead of auditing everything equally, you prioritize areas where risk exposure is highest. It's about asking, where could things go wrong? What risks could stop us from achieving our objectives? And then designing your audit plan to address those risks. Why risk-based planning matters. Here's why it's essential. 1. Alignment with strategy ensures audit work supports organizational goals. 2. Efficient resource use focuses limited audit resources on high-impact areas. 3. Stakeholder confidence builds trust with boards and executives by addressing their top concerns. 4. Agility keeps the audit plan relevant as risks evolve. 5. Compliance with standards. The IIA global standards require risk-based planning as the foundation of audit activity. Key steps in risk-based planning. Risk-based planning follows a structured process. 1. Understand organizational objectives. Review strategic plans, business goals, and risk appetite. Ask, what's most important to the organization? 2. Identify risks. Use enterprise risk assessments, management interviews, and industry benchmarks. Consider financial, operational, compliance, IT, and emerging risks. 3. Assess risk impact and likelihood. Rate risks based on severity and probability. Use heat maps or risk matrices to visualize priorities. 4. Map risks to audit universe. Link risks to processes, functions, and systems. Example: cybersecurity risk, IT audits, ESG risk, sustainability audits. 5. Prioritize audits. Select engagements that address high-risk areas. Balance mandatory audits, e.g. compliance, with strategic risk coverage. 6. Develop the audit plan. Draft annual or multi-year plan. Include flexibility for emerging risks. 7. Engage stakeholders. Present the plan to the audit committee and management. Adjust based on feedback and expectations. Practical example. Let's say your organization is expanding into digital services. The top risks identified are cybersecurity breaches, regulatory compliance in new markets, third-party vendor reliability. Your risk-based plan might include IT general controls and cyber resilience audits, compliance audits focused on new regulations, vendor management audits to assess third-party risk. This ensures your audit work directly supports the organization's strategic priorities. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Watch out for these pitfalls. 1. Static plans. Risks evolve. Update your plan regularly. 2. Overemphasis on low-risk areas. Don't waste resources on minor issues. 3. Ignoring stakeholder input. Without buy-in, your plan loses relevance. 4. Lack of flexibility. Build room for emerging risks like ESG, AI, or geopolitical change. Risk-based planning is the backbone of effective internal audit. It ensures your work is aligned, impactful, and future-ready. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the bell for more insights from the GRC Sentinel. And tell us, what's the biggest risk your audit plan should cover this year?